Hello student, today we are going to learn classification of thermodynamic system. The thermodynamic system may be classified into three groups. Number one, closed system. Number two, open system. Number three, isolated system. Okay, now what is closed system or control mass? This is a closed system. This is the boundary. From the closed system, no mass in or no mass out, no mass transfer. Energy in or energy out, yes, there is transfer of energy. Now, sometimes energy, only energy, but no mass may cross the boundary of the system. In such case, the system is known as a closed system. Okay, it consists of a fixed amount of mass and no mass can be cross its boundary. That is, no mass enter or no mass leave a closed system. The energy in the form of heat or work can cross the boundary. Okay. Example, food item in a pressure cooker, refrigerator or ice cream freezer, electrolytic battery, bulb, lamps, etc. Here, energy transfer, but no mass transfer. Okay. Now, what is open system, or it is called control volume? This is the figure of open system. This is the boundary. In open system, mass in and mass out. Here, mass transfer is yes, mass in or mass out. Here also energy transfer, yes, energy in and energy out. Okay. An open system, or also it is called a control volume, is the one with transfer of energy and mass across its boundary. The system has a selected region, fixed volume, so it is called control volume. The boundary of the control volume is called control surface. Here both mass and energy can cross the control surface. This is control surface or boundary. Here the boundary of an open system is fixed. Mass can cross the control surface. The energy in the form of heat or work can cross the control surface. This is the control surface. Now example, internal combustion engine, gas turbine, reciprocating air compressor, water boiler, flow through tubes and nozzle, etc. Here both mass and energy cross the boundary. Okay. Now what is isolated system? This is the picture of isolated system. This is the boundary. This is isolated system. In isolated system, mass out or mass in, no, there is no mass transfer. In isolated system, energy, there is no energy in or no energy out. There is no energy transfer. A thermodynamic system in which neither mass nor energy across the boundary, it is not influenced by the surrounding, An isolated system is a special case of a closed system in which energy can also not cross the boundary of the system. This system is not communication with its surrounding in any way. Okay. Now, example of isolated system. Example are thermos flux, ice box, etc. Here neither mass nor energy across the boundary. Okay, it is clear, my student? Thank you.